Hello, good morning, everybody. My name is Graham, so I'm going to take you through today's analysis. Today is the second day of the month of June. So I'd like us to start off with the chart on my screen. We'll start off with the GBP/USD. So far, we are in a very good uptrend. You can see that the trend has started somewhere here. So yesterday we had some sell, here, and today we have a buy where the price is now. So basically this was a shape which has been broken to the upper side. We had a shape like that, and the price successfully broke above it. So as it is right now, we're expecting the buyers to continue to push price to the upper side, at least up to this level here. So as it is right now, keep looking for buy positions. Expect the buyers to push price up to this point here, where if the price breaks above it, then we do expect it to continue even higher. So we do have a shape here, have a shape there, and then you have a shape there. We had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a support, we had a support, we had a break below that support. So as it is right now, we expect that after this buy signal here, the price is supposed to continue to the upper side, at least up to this level here. If it does break above this point, then our next level is this one. So technically we are buyers. We are looking for more buy positions. We expect the buyers to push price upwards up to this point, where if the price breaks above it, then we do expect a continuation even higher, at least up to this level here. So we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a good level there. If you take a buy here, hold on to that position up to this point. These two lines here, the first line is 1.25778, then the next one is 1.25720. The next chart which I want us to have a look at is gold. So on gold so far, let's see what we expect to be happening. On gold so far, we are still looking for buy positions. We are still looking for buy orders. So we have a very good level there. Have another one there. So this is like a very good shape. It's like a flag formation. If you take this as an uptrend, then this is a flag formation, which means as it is now, we are looking forward for buy positions. We expect the buyers to push price upwards, at least up to this resistance level, this one here. The next target is this one there, and then we have another one, which is this one. So technically this is a good buy. We are looking for buy positions. We had a buy after this signal, after this indicator gave us a buy signal. We are still holding on to that position. We expect the buyers to push price even higher, at least up to this resistance level, which is let's see, this resistance is 1856.46. The up one is 1856.82, and then the ultimate one is 1862.92. The lower one is 1862.44. So the next instrument which we'll have a look at is Euro USD. This is also bullish. I think we've looked at this. Sorry, that was GBP USD. So there is a close correlation between GBP USD and Euro USD. If you see a buy position on Euro USD, just ensure that you're seeing the same position on GBP USD, like we have here. You can see we had a buy around this area on GBP USD. We have a similar buy here. So we have this one here, and then we have another one there. Then we had a breakout. We saw the indicator giving us a buy signal. On the upper side, we also have this. Then we have that. So following this breakout here, we do expect the buyers to push price to the upper side, at least up to this level here. This is a very good resistance, so expect buyers to push price upwards. We are looking forward for a possible break above these two lines. The first one is 1.07091, then the next one is 1.07070. If the price ascends and closes above these two lines, then expect it to continue to the upper side, at least up to this resistance level, the one we have at the very top. So technically, right now as we are speaking now, we are buyers. We are looking for buy positions. Expect a buy up to the resistance level, which I've mentioned, this one here, or if the price breaks above it, then our next target is this one. So this is on the buyer side. If the price should descend and close below this line, this is 1.06381, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from. So my next instrument, the next instrument which I want us to have a look at, I want us to look at the US dollar Japanese yen. This is a sell. As you can see now, we had a very good trend, a very good uptrend here. So the price has been very bullish for some times now, and just now we are seeing a sell signal. I'm not going to still recommend a sell on this chart. I'm not recommending a sell as it is now, except if the price can break below this level here. So this is like some wider zone. If the price can descend below this line, this is 129.571, 129.950. If the price descends below the old zone, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from, at least up to this point here. So technically, if the price descends below this point, we are going to continue our sell orders up to this point. If the price breaks below it, then we do expect a continuation even lower. But on the other side, if the price ascends above this line, which is 130.170, then that would be a sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. So if the price ascends above this point, we'll be looking for more buy positions, expecting the buyers to continue to push price even higher. My next instrument is the Brent oil. So the Brent oil, it looks like we have some buy signal here, but I won't recommend a buy. We have a very good level there. We have a resistance, there is a break above, we have a support, we have a support, we have a support, there is a break below. So as it is right now, if the price for some reasons can pull back and touch these two lines, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from. We have another level here. This was in the past, had a resistance there, and we had very good shapes on this chart. Have that, we have that, and then we have that, then we have that, and then we have that, then we have that one, and then there was this one. This was in the past. So technically, as it is now, this was a buy here after the breakout. It was a buy after we broke above the upper line. It was a sell after we went below. It was a sell after we went below. And as we're speaking now, we expect a break below this point here to pick a sell position. So if you're on this chart as we're speaking now, you are supposed to look for sell positions. Expect the sellers to push us down up to this point here, or you can wait and sell from the line we have at the top. I hope that makes sense, the chart which I've just looked at. My next instrument I want us to look at is the SP500. So with the SP500 so far, the price was bullish for a very long time, but then somehow it started to move down, then it has recovered also for some reasons now. So as it is now, we do expect that the price may likely recover to the upper side because the correction has been there for almost the whole of this year. So we want to see the price now continue with the uptrend, but temporarily on the lesser time frame we have a sell there. So we have a resistance there. There is a break below. We have a resistance. If the price can break below this line here, then that will be a sign that now we are continuing to the lower side. So as it is right now, expect a sell from around this area up to this point. If the price breaks below that point, then expect more sell positions, at least up to this level here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.